sunny Snowshoe, West Virginia. We're getting ready to glissade down a bunch of fresh snow.
Heading down off the mountain slope.
Look at this day. And the carving is just so soft everywhere. Snowboarding's great, but I had to get a little meal started, getting a little hungry. Big Brother Sport and a little Go. The Go is cranking with some polenta and tomato, and the Sport's gonna be a chicken medley, some leftovers. I'm trying to enjoy the slope, so I don't want to be stuck. So I'm gonna take and create a cooler with some snow. Pretty simple concept, but hoping that'll work. Okay, here we are at beautiful Snowshoe, West Virginia, and Shavers Lake. Wow, that's solid. Give you a better look at what it actually is, because I know it's a little bit of a mystery. Super yummy creamed tomato chicken with some fresh onions. Wish I had a little bit of time, but I've got to head back to Ohio. I'm road trip ready. I've got my water supply and my food supply sitting shotgun. What a great passenger. And then in the back, we've got the Go. So I'm catching my last little bit, maybe a little warm up. So I've got this meal to hit the road. I've got a 6-hour drive ahead of me. The Go Suns do such a good job with heat retention, and I really like to eat food when it's piping hot. So I had a hot meal, sitting shotgun, that lasted for 5 straight hours. Stop by on a little riverside rock here with my companion. We're just letting the water pour by on the middle fork. I'm just having a little snack here, hot snack. Take a bite, close it up. Got my little perch here, and I'm finishing off dinner. Still warm. Love this stuff. Oh, look at this gorgeous scene. The white-tailed deer skipping around in the backfield there. As the sun sets on day 39, I am feeling pretty grateful.